Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I am cooking again. This time we have some St. Patrick's Day season, but you can try it anytime if it's in your grocer's freezer. Grobbels corned beef brisket. I've never cooked it before, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Now, I'm watching people cook them. They soak them in water for hours or overnight. This one has 60% less sodium in the brine. Okay, so it's a lot less salt. For that reason, I'm gonna rinse it off and we're gonna go right to it. I'm gonna use the season pack that's included and also a little Montana steak. Now, it has salt in here, but I think it's gonna give it a nice bark. I think it's gonna be good because, like I said, it has 60% less sodium in the brine, okay? Now, these say flat cuts, but the funny thing is I have both cuts on both of these. So I've got flat and point. So they probably cut that brisket right in the middle area. So it's probably gonna be delicious and even better, okay? Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, here we are. Like I was telling you, this is my point, this is my flat. This is right at the separation. Okay, cooks? I think when it's done, I'll probably just separate them. That way I can cut them differently. So I've got flat here, I've got point here. If I turn it around, so you could actually see the separation. So somebody almost already did that, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna give that a shot. It's actually trimmed very well, trimmed nicely. So got that, and same on this one. Got flat, got point meat on top. See the separation right there? Okay, cooks, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna use one pack of the seasoning that comes in it. The other pack, because what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to get a bark on this thing. Once I establish that bark, what I'm gonna do is put it in a pan with some water, okay? Use that other pack, because I have two of them. Use that other pack in that water, season up some vegetables, some carrots and some potatoes in there. Should be delicious. Okay, cooks, let's sprinkle some of this on. And no binder today, cooks, no binder. We're gonna get it around there, just a little bit on there. Okay, we're gonna pat it. You don't have to rub it, we gotta pat it. That's just for a little flavor's sake. Okay, cooks, now we're gonna go with the real deal. Montana steak. Okay, cooks. Again today, no binder. Let's get it all around there. Okay, cooks. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me get this right here. That's why I should have had a binder right there, huh? Let's get it all up in there. Get up in the business. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. Same on this one. Put that on there. That side. That side action. This side. Alright. Side to side, y'all. Side to side. Let's get it. Okay. And you guys said, what about the bottom? That's what I use, the excess. Look at my bottom. That excess. Okay, you can get that bottom. Use all the excess. Okay, cooks, we're ready to go. I'm gonna let this sweat a little bit. It's hot. Okay, cooks, get them outside on the expert pellet smoker. We're doing about 300 degrees, maybe 275, maybe 300. I'm not sure yet. Maybe 300. Okay, almost like a hot and fast recipe, because that's small. So it shouldn't take that long anyway. We're gonna get them up to 200 and see what happens from there. So stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, we're back. We're gonna get them on there, okay? I got one with a little flap on it. I'll keep that away from the hot box. Okay, cooks? Get them on, bunch them up. Go about 275, okay, cooks? Because now at this stage, I want to get all the smoke I can on it, okay? I'm not trying to cook it fast at this point, okay? So earlier I said hot and fast. No, not yet, okay? 275 at this point, maybe 250. A lot of smoke on there. I'm not checking for temperature, like I said. Get a nice bark. Once a nice bark is established, get them in a pan. A little of that season pack in there, a little water, vegetable. It's gonna be good, folks. Subscribe to this channel, man. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. Let's stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Here we go. They done shrunk down. So those points, the flash, this is delicious. Cooks, got them in a little pan, little tray. Do a little water. A little water, cooks. A little water. Some people say halfway. I'm not doing halfway. I might do one more glass. I think this might be a 12-ounce glass. One more. We want this flavor now. Come on. So we got that in there. We'll do this. The season pack came with it. That came with the Briskets, man. The bark is, oh, you should smell this thing. Look at the seasoning in there. That's on purpose. Get that in there. Okay, Coach? Nothing else. We're going to potato. That's the oven. Because we're going in the oven, Coach. Why waste pellets when you're going, once I wrap this, why would I put it back on the, now people do, I used to do it too. I'm guilty of that also. But I'm going in the oven, man. 300 degrees, maybe 325. If you want to know, the meat was at 170 when I pulled it. Okay. It's been about, that was 5 hours. So I said, we ain't gonna make it. So, oh my goodness, oh, my friend. Delicious, delicious. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, cool, got that in there. A little carrot in the game. A little carrot in the game. A little carrot, potato and carrot. We're gonna do a little rice. I got my cabbage on there right now. A little carrot though. A little bit of carrot. You know what I mean? So you're getting that so-called broth. It's gonna make a heck of a broth. YouTube people. Heck of a broth, man. That's gonna be all flavor. All flavor. That's gonna be delicious. Now I do have more carrots. I'm wondering if I should add more carrots. I don't know. Put it in the juice, that juice right there. Oh my goodness. No, potato base, carrots for fun. We're gonna wrap it with a foil, heavy duty. Okay, heavy duty foil. Measure once, cut twice. That's how you do it. Now wrap it up. And yes, I'm going to probe on it. This is going in the oven. 325 degrees. We're going to get it going. She should be ready in about an hour. Okay, cooks? Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. Man, we cooking again. Hey, cooks, we're at the end. Here we are at the end. You see the separation. Outrageous. I'm gonna separate it. Cooks, what's we'll do? Separate it. Look at that. We got a point and flat in this thing, man. St. Patrick. Come on, man. Saint who? Who? The Saint. Let me say, I should have just separated. No, man. We got it. Oh, we got it. Oh, and they always look down here. All right. Test it out. Test it out. Oh, a point. Ooh, nothing wrong with a point. A little hot. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm sorry. That tastes almost better than every biscuit I've ever made out there for 24 hours. That has a good taste. It's a little salty. A little salty. But I like salt. That's good. And the fat's good. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit the notification bell. Notification bell. Whatever that means. Stay with your guy. Here we go. Man, we cooking again.